Get in here, get in here. Guys, we have made it to the 6th week of school. This week, we're going to take our common assessment number one. Guys, this is an important test because it determines how much you have learned from instructions for the first 6 weeks. Now, in order to prepare, we're going to do a review this week. I believe our test began on Wednesday. So today we're going to review main idea, organizational patterns. Tomorrow we're going to practice on Tuesday, practice taking the common assessment because it is all online. Wednesday, I believe you will take math and science, and I will do another review based on our performance in the next 2 days to see how we are doing. Um, this is your last chance. I mean, it's up to you. It's up to you to show the district, yourself, your principal, and your parents what you have learned, what you are capable of. Guys, we're going to have a great week. That's all we can do. And then next week, y'all, more changes. Now, I'm excited about these changes because I will get to see more of you because this computer was not working for me. You need to know that I will eat you up for not doing my work. And you will get to find that out next week. Y'all, again, let's finish strong. I love you. And I can't wait to see how well you have learned this 6 weeks. Bye.